Till yesterday's videos, we have learned about the basic block diagram of the communication and what communication mean, and mostly we have learned about the channel and the types of channels that we are working on in the communication system. And in yesterday's video, we have learned about the advantages and disadvantages of the digital communication. And in these three videos we have learned that some particular techniques are being used on signals to convert it from analog to digital communication and to get the clear voice in at the receiver's hand. So today we are going to see about the one of the processing technique on signal, that is multiplexing. Okay, next, multiplexing is one of the signal processing technique in which all the different signals are combined together to pass them through one channel. So here we are using a channel to transmit the signal from transmitter to the receiver, right? So what particularly this multiplexing does is, in this multiplexing technique we will combine all the signals with different frequencies and we will pass them through one channel, and uh, but we will keep the signals separately. It is very essential to keep the signals apart from each other, because all the frequencies what we will pass through one channel is of different frequencies. So if we keep the signals apart from each other so that they won't mix at the receiver end. Okay, see, but here we yeah but here to transfer the composite signal formed through or over the single channel, it is essential or very important to keep the signals apart from each other so that they won't interfere with each other and can be separated easily at the receiving end, right? Yeah, and this multiplexing is of two types. Okay, we have basically we will work on the signals based upon the time and the frequency. Okay, so this multiplexing is divided into two types, that is time division multiplexing and frequency division multiplexing. Okay, time division multiplexing is known as TDM and frequency division multiplexing is known as FDM. Okay, so I will give you the idea by taking four users. Okay, user 1, user 2, user 3 and user 4. I am comparing it with the same example in both TDM and the FDM. Okay, so TDM, let's take the graph over here. As we know that multiplexing is nothing but the transferring of multiple frequency signals in through one channel, right? So we have four users and they are passing the signals over the same frequency, but we but within the limited time. See here, yes, here to here, here to here is the limited time for user 1, and next here to here is for the limited time for user 2, and next here to here is for user 3, and here to here is for user 4, but they will pass the signals throughout this frequency. Okay, so there is no issue with this time division multiplexing. Basically this technique works based upon the division of the time. Okay, the time is divided between the users. Next, see, limited time frame and overall frequency. These users will pass their signals over the complete frequency but within their particular time frame. Next, we have this frequency division multiplexing. This is TDM, fast one, and this is FDM. I am underlining the techniques. See, this is TDM, sorry, yeah, this is TDM and this is FDM. Okay, in FDM, these were the four users: user 1, user 2, user 3 and user 4. And in FDM the frequency is divided, okay, but they will pass the signals over the complete time. Here the time frame is divided between the users in TDM, and here a frequency is divided, okay. Here to here frequency 1, sorry, frequency of the user 1, here to here for user 2, here to here for user 3 and here to here for user 4. See, and there is one occurrence of the problem, that is possibility of crosstalk can happen, okay. That means as we are passing different frequencies at the same time, there is a possibility of multiplying or mixing of these frequencies will be happening in a frequency division multiplexing. Here limited frequency frame and overall time. These is the overall idea about the multiplexing. It is one of the technique we use in the signal processing, okay. So just have a look for all the four videos till now. This is the fourth video I am doing on communication systems. Please have a look so that you will be getting the idea of about the subject. Thank you.